everybody, this is Tiffany, and this is my first YouTube video, so I don't really know what to do. The lighting is really bad in here, I think. Well, anyways, if you want to see more of me, just go on my Google Plus page. Yeah. This is only my first video, so I don't really know what to do. So, I'll see you around, I guess. Bye. And sorry if this is really short, because it's, like, only my first video. Oh, and, I have a little sister named Mackenzie, which you're going to see, like, every once in a while. And, yeah, I don't want to have any mean comments. So, yeah. That's all I have for today, and I guess that's it. Bye.